Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to move your Cricut designs into Canva, or just start fresh and recreate that look in Canva, this tutorial is going to walk you through the whole process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create and export designs in Canva with just a few clicks, ready for whatever creative project you're working on next. It's super straightforward, and I'll make sure to explain everything as we go, so let's jump right in. Alright, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Canva. You can use the web browser version or the Canva app, either one works just fine, but I usually recommend the browser if you want a slightly larger workspace. Once you're there, look for that purple Create a Design button. It's usually right at the top corner of your dashboard. Go ahead and give that a click. This is your starting point for making anything in Canva, from Instagram posts to printable planners. But we're going to do something a little custom today, so stick with me. Instead of choosing one of the preset templates, select Custom Size from the menu that pops up. Now here's an important detail. Type in 100 for the width and 50 for the height, and make sure those are both in pixels, not inches or millimeters. This might seem like a small canvas, but it actually helps if you're just pulling out specific elements or want a really crisp export later on. Imagine it like sketching your idea on an index card before moving onto a bigger canvas. When you've got those numbers entered, click to create your new design. Now you're inside the design editor. This is where the magic happens. To get started, let's add some text. On the left-hand menu, you'll see a text tab. Click it and then choose Add a Heading. Type in whatever you like, maybe your business name, a favorite quote, or something simple to see how it looks. You can play around with fonts, sizes, spacing, try out a few options to see what feels right for your project. The key here is just to get comfortable. Canva is super user-friendly, so don't worry about messing anything up. If you don't like something, you can always hit undo or delete. Okay, moving on, let's add an image. Click on the Uploads tab on the left to bring in your own image from your computer, or use Canva's own elements by searching something like flower or star in the Elements section. Drag your chosen image onto your canvas and drop it where you want it. Here's a tip: you can resize, rotate, and layer your images on top of your text or behind it. Get creative. And if you want to add a little flair, try applying an effect. Click the image and you'll see options like glow or shadow that can really make your work pop. Next, let's make sure everything is positioned just right. Stick your text and your image together by dragging them closer, or even overlapping them a bit to create a cohesive look. Think of it like arranging stickers on a notebook. It should look unified and intentional, not just thrown together. If you want to fine-tune the alignment, use Canva's helpful guidelines. They'll snap items into place for you. And if you like a nice, clean finish, consider adding a border. Just use the Elements tab again, search for border and select one you like. Drag it to fit your design, maybe adjust the color or thickness for that perfect touch. And that's really it. When you're happy with your design, all that's left is to export it and use it wherever you need, whether that's on Cricut, uploading to social media, or printing it out. I hope this broke down the basics for you and made it all feel doable. If you found this helpful, please go ahead and like the video. It really supports the channel. Got questions or run into any issues along the way? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And of course, if you love creative tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching and happy designing.